Kuringana na ngwataniro ya andikani bururi-ini, gikiro gia gubuta andikwo nikiambatirite na gikiro kinene kumana na riera riuru ria kuhura biacara riria ricuhirirwo ni magoti ma iguru. Riboti yao ikionania gatagati ka mwaka wa 2023 na wa 2024 andu 47,000 ni mafutirwo mawira ma wabici kumana na riera riuru ria wonjoria, igoti ria iguru ari umwe wa maria macungiriirie.
This stark mismatch between job creation and labor market demand illustrates a harsh reality that Kenya is educating its youth for a lifetime of unemployment unless something changes. The country cannot continue producing skilled graduates without ensuring a corresponding growth in employment opportunities. This is
maya marahanika riri o mwaka gatagati ka andu 800,000 na andu 1.2 maretha mawira makiingira gikundi-ini kia andu 5,000,000 aria matari mawira. Mwaka wa 2024 andu 20,020,8 nio mandikitwo mawira na 17,4 ni mawira ma moko, kuga ati andu 3,4 no mandikitwo mawira ma wabici.
This is why the Federation of Kenya Employers has consistently called for policy reforms aimed at unlocking job creation in enterprises across the country. Empowering the private sector, therefore, through targeted policy support is essential to reverse this trend.
Oho ni mareganite na riandikithia ria thirikari thiini wa riandikithia ria watho wa kigina ria gwitikiria ruhonge rwa ungania wa magoti KRA kumahe rutha rwa kumenya thiri cia kiwonjoria na riboti cia andu kiumbe inyitithanio na mitambo ya magoti.
Is the proposal to grant KRA access to trade secrets and personal data for integration into the electronic tax management system, as this raises significant concerns around privacy and confidentiality.
Riri wonjoria bururi-ini urituhite muno makiria ni undu wa magoti. Ngwataniro ya andikani bururi-ini yuritie thirikari riri rahaririria watho wa kigina yambike mitaratara ya kumahuthiria wira na muno makiria niguo mahote ona kwandandura mieke ya wonjoria na wandikani. Ngiribotire Inooro TV kuma muciĩ munene wa Nairobi, njitagwo Jenga Wambui.